Hey traders, Dr. LA here. I get so many questions every day from new traders about how to calculate pips. Well, let's go ahead and look at it. I'm going to create a text box and we are looking at EUR USD. The current market price for the buy is at 1.1572. And then you see a small 7 or 6. It's fluctuating right now in the top left corner. That is the pipette, okay? So let's say I'm going to enter my trade here at 1.572. It is very important to remember that the foreign exchange market moves in pips, and we are looking at the fourth number after the decimal. So, what does that mean? Let's say I was going to enter this trade for a buy and I wanted to take, let's say, 10 pips. Okay. So, if I got in for a long, for a buy, then my take profit, which I'm going to call TP, would simply be 1.1582. Okay, you're going to add 10 to the last two numbers, okay, because it's that fourth decimal place that is going to be changing when you're looking at counting your pips on a Forex trade. Okay, so again, your entry 1.1572. If you're going to go for 10 pips, let's say you're a new trader and you're practicing your strategy, then your TP would be 1.18, I'm sorry, 1.1582. Okay, so again, these are the numbers that you are changing, and this is how you simply calculate pips. Remember that that fifth number, any number after that on a Forex pair, is going to be considered a pipette, and that is not what we are changing. All right. Happy trading, traders.